Okay guys and gals, isa na namang araw ng day off. So hindi ko alam kung saan talaga ako pupunta, pero right now, napadpad ako dito sa Santa Monica Pier. Well, gusto nyo ng patunay? Nandito. Nakikita nyo yung Ferris wheel? Yep, nandito nga ako. At syempre, since na mainit ngayon, and patapos na rin naman ng summer, and gusto kong makapunta dito muna kasi mahirap na. Pag winter, walang masyadong pumupunta rito. Although meron naman, kaya lang malamig eh. Sino ba naman pupunta ng beach ng taglamig, di ba? So, yep. Gaya na sabi ko nga, patapos na ang summer. So, gusto kong pumunta rito muna. And gusto ko lang lumanghap muna ng malamig-lamig na hangin. Kaya, ano pang ginagawa natin dito? Mag-explore. Sige. At oo nga pala, alam ko marami na ako nagawang videos tungkol sa pagpunta ko sa kung saan-saan. Pero, guys and girls, ito ang gagawin kong unang official episode ng segment natin na kung tawagin ay Lakwatsa. Yep, Lakwatsa, dahil that's exactly kung ano yung ginagawa natin ngayon. Kaya naman, maya-maya lang, gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga tanawin dito. Well, yung mga friends ko na taga dito na alam na kung ano yung mga nandito, sa Santa Monica. Pero para sa mga Pinoy, gusto ko lang i-share ano nga bang nandito. Tara! Okay guys and girls, bago tayo lumakad-lakad later on, gusto ko lang muna magmerienda. So, anong merienda ko? Ito lang naman, curly fries from Mr. Nice Fry. So, nandito lang sa tabi ko yung in-order ko nito. So, if I know, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, famous din na Santa Monica sa mga seafood resto. Itong in-order ko ngayon, merienda lang. So, hindi ko lang alam kung which restaurant ang kakainan ko later on. Meron dito, mga ilang mga seafood resto. I don't know. Pero later, susubukan ko. For now, magme-merienda ako habang nag-enjoy sa mga tanawan dito at in-enjoy ang simoy ng hangin. Dahil syempre, ang dagat nandyan lang. And not to mention, hindi na ako order ng soda. May tubig naman ako eh. And later, yep, subukan kong ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga tanawin later on. So, right now, kain muna ako. Okay guys and gals, ipopromote ko nga lang pala bago tayo lumakad ang dalawa kong shop link sa House of Franchise. House of Franchise, ito siya. Uunahin ko na Siomai King. Ito ang aking shop link para doon. At syempre, kung gusto niyo na siomai, dyan lang kayo pumunta. At kung curious kayo sa iba pa mga product na meron ng Siomai King, nandyan na rin. At para naman sa JC Premier, ito ang aking shop link. Gusto niyo ng kape and any beauty products, nariyan po. So, Siomai King, JC Premier, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bili na. Ay, grabe guys. Alam nyo, totoo lang. Nakapagod din talaga maglakad. Alam nyo, kanina pa. Pero, at least, nakahanap ako ng mapupwestuhan. Dito, nakaharap ako sa dagat. At may mga katabi akong kalapate. Pakita ko lang Ano ko, teka, ito. May kalapating isa. Yeah. At gaya na nakikita nyo, katabi ko lang ang dagat. Kaya medyo maaraw nga lang ito na pwestuhan ko. Kaya, well, relax lang. So, sa ngayon, pahinga muna. At nag-e-enjoy lang ako ng mga tanawin. O nga pala, paunawa lang sa mga mahilig maglakad habang kumakain o kumakain habang naglalakad. Especially dito sa Santa Monica. And beware lang, konting ingat dahil may mga seagull dito na sila yung mga mahilig mandekot ng pagkain. Kaya mas mabuting kumain kayo sa mga covered na places. Pero well, eat at your own risk kung naglalakad kayo. Well, sa ngayon, relax muna at enjoy ko lang muna ang simoy ng hangin. Titignan ko makapaglakad pa ako mamaya ulit or kung saan ko man maisipang pumunta. O siya paano? Tayo na ulit.
Amber alert. Then, I need everyone in the car right up here, side by side, shoulder to shoulder. You'll form the front row. Please move your feet. Your legs are permitted. Then everyone else get as close as you can. Squeeze right behind you, right beside. You've got to make it easy for people to walk around or to walk between. And it's better if this looks more like a show and less like a crime scene. Then, as I come by, if you have a card, please grab a marker and write your first name across the blank side on the side. Nice and big and easy to read. When you're done with the name, put that cap on tight. Hold the marker up like this. We're about to play a game I call Hurry Up and Put the Pen in the Bag. Not much fun to watch, but I start slow and then I die out completely. Thank you. Cap on the pen. Oh, there we go. There we go. Cap on the pen in the bag. Thank you. I'll remember that. Then, if you didn't get a card, please cheat out this front row. If you have a card, please show it to everyone else so they can enjoy the show. There's not enough time to give a card to everyone, so please share these with them, but not with me. Then please hold your cards out like this. Names down at the tips of your fingers. At the tips of your fingers like this. And while we're on the subject of tips, that's why I'm here. I wish I were paid by the city or pier, but I pay them to come out here. I work for the greatest nation in the world. Donation. After my show, I leave out the hat so people can throw money inside. Some throw in 20. Most throw in 10 or 5. It's how I make my living. But more importantly, it's how you let me know what you think of what you see. So please wait until I'm through. You don't know what it's worth till you see what I can do. 5 say I'm good, 10 say I'm great, 20 say I'm amazing. And if you don't like the show, then I don't want you though. Best deal you'll find anywhere because you pay what you think is fair. But when it's over, please consider the roller coaster. $15 for 32 seconds. And it sucks. Now I mix it like this. I toss these into those. I mix it in and the shuffle cake. Then I'll try to find them in order, starting with you, stopping with you. Your name, please, sir?
Ray?
Ray? If that's your card, we'll get a big round of applause. Let's see if we got it.
Yeah, that's me.
And your name, sir?
What's what?
Saw it over here.
Oh.
And your name? One-handed. And your name is what's your name? Fernanda. Oh, that's my dad's name. Fernanda. All right, Fernanda, say stop. Stop. Did it work? And your name, sir? Paul. Don't blink, this one's fast. Please act impressed. That took me 10 years. Could have been a doctor. And your name, miss? You're L-O-R-E-N? No I? L-O-R-E-N-A. Gotcha. You gotta spell it to find it. L-O-R-E-N-A. Lorraine. And your name? I won't even look. But when I close my eyes, don't all run away. My dad did that to me. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's say I thought everybody ran away. And your name is? Maria. Maria. It's in my pocket. Maria. And your name fast? That was fast. And the crowd goes mild. I don't know if you're stunned or stoned. It looks the same. And we'll try it again. Maria, what's your name? Maria. It's in my pocket. We'll keep doing it until they like it. Now in the back, get as close as you can. On the side, squeeze in. This is close-up magic. Get up close. Make sure you see Maria's name. Nice and clear. Okay, move you guys anyone step on the sides. I'm trying to make a wall so the videos can't see. If anything makes this better than YouTube or TV is there's no camera tricks. 100% pure sleight of hand, a few feet between you and me. Your name, sir? Ollie. Ollie, watch this. No sleeves. If you're looking for Maria, it's in my pocket. I'll keep going until I like it. And your name is? If you stare, you'll see it change. Try it out. Can't believe he's trying that. Everybody's watching. If you're looking for Maria's card, better. Out here, you need to be good if you want to get 5s. You have to be great if you want to get 10s. And I'm hoping that if this card has your name on it, that everyone will agree the show is great. This is your name. That would have been good. It gets better. Look at this. Please keep these as souvenirs. One day they'll be worthless. There's one card left to go. This is the big finale. This will make you the big finale. Please write your name across the blank side. Nice and big, easy to read, and Russian marks a card. I want to thank you for your generosity. I don't just appreciate it, I depend on it. I'm trying to buy TikTok. So if you need change, it can be arranged. If you don't have cash, I've got Venmo, Cash App, and PayPal. Because the truth is, I couldn't perform for you today if I couldn't make a living this way. And I hate to say $1 not enough, but this is LA. Can't live here on 1 or 2, so I ask each of you for 5 if you like what you see. 10 or 20 if you love it or have a big group of family, and everyone that throws in 20 gets one of these. It's a magic trick with magic cards you can use to fool your friends and family. But please forget about the money for a few more seconds. There's one card left to go. I save the best for last. I just like to scare away the freeloaders first. First I take the pen, that's how I got it. As I'm turned away, would you show your name to everyone? Do you guys see the writing on our card? I always double check. Sometimes I don't write the name. I find the card and no one believes me. Please put it into the middle of the pack. Now I go slow so no one thinks my hands are faster than your eyes. And I want everybody to remember 2 things. The first is I do not leave it sticking out on the side, okay? Not in front or back, left or right. There's no hints or clues. Second, there's no shuffles or cuts. I leave it where you put it so no one thinks I sneak it to the top or bottom. This is as fair as I can be. And for the first time, what is your name? Patricia. Have you ever seen me before? No? Then how do you know it's me? You just saw 30 years of practice. I've worked on this routine since I was 16. 3 decades with a sleight of hand, but for your card, no hands. And you thought I sucked. If we found and folded her card in 3 seconds, with just teeth, tongue, and lips, there would be a big round of applause and a hat full of tips. Thank you so much. That is my show, and here's a hat. Please let me know what you thought of what you saw. 5 say I'm good, 10 say I'm great, 20 say I'm amazing. And everyone who throws in 20 gets a magic trick, because sharing and giving make life worth living. The more you give, the better I live. Plus, remember, guys, when it comes to tip, size matters. Girls love guys with big tips. That's TIPS, to ensure proper shows.
Okay guys and gals, in the end, ang pinili ko kung saan ako kakain dito sa Albright, nakita ko lang mga magagandang nila, items sa menu. Kaya ito, sa ngayon, order na rin ako ng beer. And magandang match ito para sa seafood mamaya nakakainin ko. Kaya, well, sa ngayon, hintay-hintay lang tayo. And mamaya, tatawagin ako nito. O siya. Okay, guys and gals. Ito. Dumating na nga yung aking food. So, ano nga ba in-order ko? Ito, fish and chips. And syempre, umorder na rin ako ng raw oysters. So, guys and gals, alam nyo, kaninang lunch, nag-isda na rin ako eh. So, why not isda ulit? O siya. Subukan kong tikman. Okay, before natin tikman itong isda rito, papatangan ko muna ng lemon. Oh yeah. Yun. Lemon. Titingnan ko. Or should I say titikman ko? Let's see. Malutong yung labas ng isda. And malambot naman yung loob. And I bet it's juicy. Itong isdang ito. I don't know kung anong klase ito. Maybe bet ko is I think this is cod. So, tingnan natin. Lagyan na sa tartar sauce. Nako, naihon sa sauce. Dali lang. Lang ko ha. Sarap ha. So, as expected of fish and chips. Sabi, sarap siya. Pero, teka, titingnan ko yung walang yung walang flavoring. So, yung as is lang. Lang ko ha. Mainit lang siya. But nonetheless, masarap. Titikman ko tong coleslaw. Okay? Fresh ang coleslaw. Halata ko eh. Bagong gawa siya. So, bagong shred na repolyo with carrots and I don't know kung anong klaseng dressing to. I think mayonnaise lang siya. Sarap. Sarap siyang isabay sa beer. Ito lang. But, itong highlight ko eh. Oyster. So, pakita ko lang. Ito siya. Oops. Yan. Oyster. So, paano nga ba kainin to? Kaya, demonstrate ko lang muna. Alam yung naalala ko bigla eh. Ano yung episode sa Mr. Bean? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe hindi niya gusto yung oyster, but ako, kumuha na ako ng fresh oysters. Patakan ko lang lemon to. Patakan ko lang. Yep. And, syempre, natin. Uy. Fresh. Grabe. Wala nang sasariwa doon. Sarap eh. Isa pa nga. Dali lang. Dali ha. Alam sa unang tikim ko, hindi agad ako makaget over eh. So, description ko lang. Nandun yung liquid. I don't know if it's, yeah, I think salt water siya. But isa pa nga, dali lang. Bigla ako na in love sa lasa eh. Dali. Teka. Okay. One more. Mga paps. Wala masabi. So, bihira ako makatikim ng fresh oysters. Kasi marami na ako natikman. Especially sa mga buffet. But right now, ito talaga. Sabi. Ang masabi ko, astig. Sa pangan ito. Teka. So, fish and chips. Isa pa. Dahil, isa sa mga paborito ko to. Ito lang. I could have ordered shrimp or shrimp and chips. Or maybe calamari, which is isa sa mga paborito ko din. But, fish and chips talaga. Isa sa mga paborito ko to. Sarap eh. Yeah. Talagang hindi ako magkanin. Kasi may fries naman. So, fries. Okay siya. Guys and girls. Sabi. Albright. Masarap na siya. Masarap na eh. Masarap na dito eh. I don't know kung kumakakain pa ako sa iba, pero let's see. Ang alam ko lang, maya-maya, lalakad ulit ako. And, well, let's check out kung ano pa yung ibang makikita natin dito sa Santa Monica. Right now, gutom na ako. Sige, pagbigyan nyo na ako. Ako'y kakain lang muna. Okay? At syempre nga pala guys and girls, maliban nga pala sa pier, saan pa nga ba sikat ng Santa Monica? Syempre, beach naman. Kaya lang, sa kasamaang palad, wala nga lang tayong swim gear para makapag-relax-relax. At syempre, wala rin tayo sa mood para mabasa ngayon. Ang gusto ko lang, mag-sightseeing. At syempre, ito ang view ng Santa Monica Pier mula sa beach. Yep. Sa ngayon, susubukan ko lumakad sa mga buhangin kahit alam kong mahirap. Kasi, mahirap maglakad sa beach nang nakasapatos ka. At syempre naman, maraming mga turista pa rin dito. Nagre-relax, nag-sunbathing. At syempre, ano pa nga ba? Malangoy. O siya. Silipin natin. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Okay guys and girls, nandito ako ngayon sa Babagang. So order na ako ng food ngayon at hihintayin ko na lang. Ito nga pala ang second food stop natin. Kaya abangan natin. Papakita ko kung ano yung mga in-order ko. Okay guys and girls, dumating na rin ang order ko. So papakita ko lang isang half pound ng hipon. Mukhang magkakamay ako. At syempre, yung isa mga paborito kong comfort food. Ito. Syempre calamari. Mukhang marami to. Ewan ko kayanin kong ubusin pero try natin. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang beer. Kasi parang feeling ko mabubulutan ako. At uunahin ko na dito sa calamari. And teka, before that, papatakan ko muna ng lemon. Ito. Yeah. Okay. So pinatakan ko na siya ng lemon. Check natin. Gaano kasarap ang calamari nila. At meron siyang dalawang sauce. May orange, red. I don't know kung ano yung red, pero check natin. Feeling ko salsa to eh. Actually hindi. Marinara sauce pala yung red. Hindi po mapapagkamala mong ketchup, pero hindi ah. Ito na orange, yun na natin. Hindi ko alam kung anong orange, pero feeling ko lang maanghang siya. Hindi ako lumubog na. Hayaan na natin yun. Ito na lang. Actually, salsa nga. Salsa. Nakakamiss kumain ng calamares. Ito lang. And, yan isa sa mga paborito kong thank you. Yan isa sa mga paborito kong street food sa Pilipinas. Pero ngayon, susubukan ko itong Cajun shrimp. So, yep, makakamay talaga ako. At medyo madulas lang. Okay? Paulan na natin ng lemon juice. And tingnan natin. Gano'n nga ba kasarap ang kanilang shrimp boil. Garlic shrimp ito na pinakuluan sa beer. Not to mention, may beer din ako dito na iniinom. Uy. Masarap. Garlic shrimp na pinakuluan sa beer. Susubukan kong iluto sa bahay ito. Pagka bumili kami ng hipon. Mga Pops, bottom line. Masarap ang shrimp nila. And feeling ko, bagong huli ito eh. Kasi parang catch of the day. Sabi. I'm not sure kung order pa ako ng isa pang round mamaya. Pero, masasabi ko lang talaga. Unang kagat ko pa, in love na ako sa lasa. Parang yung kanina na kinain natin, yung oyster. That's one thing. Ito naman, this is another story. May shell lang. Pero, dahil sabihin natin kakamay ka, masarap ang kamay eh. Sabayan na rin natin po. So, in a way, nabubulutan ako ngayon. At puro seafood ang kinakain ko. Itong past ilang minutes. Grabe. So, yep. Ipon. Paunawa ko nga lang pala sa mga mahilig sa seafood. Dahil, isa itong putok-batok meal. So, hinahinay lang. I know. Pero, syempre, masarap kumain eh. But of course, nandun na rin yung pag-iingat. And not to mention ito, with matching beer pa. Talaga nga naman. Pag seafood na usapan, yan. Talagang I could not say no. Dahil seafood eh. Sa mga paborito ko. Not to mention, malalaki pa yung hipon nila. Medyo malalaki. Not that big, pero okay siya. Wow. Sarap. Oh. Well, bibihira ko lang mga experience ng ganito. Seafood at beer. Bakit hindi? Well, siguro, next time, pag ako mamimili na sa grocery, mamimili ako ng hipon na sarili ko, ito ang gagawin ko sa bahay. Mamumulutan. Sarap eh. Sa pangatang calamari, kamay ko na nga lang. Guys and girls, mukhang hindi na ako gagamit ng kubyertos. Kasi magkakamay na lang ako. Excuse me, kamay. Ako, baka madumi yung cellphone ko, pero ako. So, paano? Enjoyin ko muna to. At kita ko sa mamaya. Guys and girls, totoo lang, hindi pa ako nakontento sa kinahain ko. So ito, order ako ng clam chowder na may kasamang oyster crackers. So di ko alam kung anong gagawin dito, pero tingnan ko, feeling ko, ihahalo to dito eh. Pero bago yun, titikiman ko muna siya. Biscuit, yun lang siya. Pero, ito lang naisip ko. Bakit hindi, di ba? Para isang kainan lang. Okay? Halo natin. At tikman natin ngayon. Guys, sana pala in-order ko ito nung una. Kasi ito ang very definition ng appetizer. Dapat pala. So, pero kahit na, okay naman yung lasa niya. Kaya, enjoyin natin. Guys and girls, marami na ako natikman na clam chowder. Pero ito, napaka-social ng lasa. Promise, social. Masarap. Hindi siya yung, like natikman ko dati ng dilatang clam chowder. Pero tingnan nyo na lang to. Tingnan nyo na lang. Yung itsura social, yung lasa sosyalin dyan. Sa totoo lang, gumawa na ako ng clam chowder from scratch. Kaya lang, hindi successful eh. Hindi ko alam, siguro may nagawa akong mali noon. Siguro susubukan ko na lang ulit. Pero ito, hinihimay-himay ko yung lasa eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung naging ingredient niya. Maliban sa mga clams, of course. Masarap. new patatas, not new heavy cream. Pero meron akong lasa na hindi ko ma-pinpoint. Masarap siya. Siyempre, nandun na nga yung oyster crackers na pinakita ko. Para dagdag sa texture niya. Naman. Wow. Oo nga. Next time. Makakain ako dito. Isa ito sa mga una kong orderin. Kasabay ng main course. Kasi feeling ko, masarap siyang isabay. Kaya naman, basta. Next time. Sa ngayon, as usual, enjoy lang. Oh well. Paano? Later that. Okay guys and girls, at dito na nga po nagtatapos ang aking exploration sa Santa Monica. Pero nyo, inabot na ako ng takip silim. So, paano? Ako uuwi na, papahinga. And right now, once again, this is Comandante. As always, be inspired, and I love you all. At kita-kits sa susunod na video.
Everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like a Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah. West Coast. Beach in the house, yeah. Oaktown, Oakland definitely in the house.